And for the last problem, for letter C, find G over H of X. Okay? Equivalent lang to sa G of X over H of X. So dito naman, di-divide naman natin yung G of X and H of X. So ano yung G of X natin? That is 5x plus 10. And H of X natin is x squared plus 3x minus 10. Then, factoring again. Fa-factor natin yan. So ito, nag-factor na tayo kanina nito, no? So yung common factor nila is 5. Then, anong matitira pag tinanggal natin yung 5? 5x divided by 5 is x na lang. Plus 10 divided by 5, that is 2. Ito kanina, factor na natin. Yung factors ng negative 10 na sum niya is 3 is 5 and negative 2. Okay. So therefore, factor niya is x plus 5, x minus 2. And then, so makikita nyo, wala silang common factor. Kasi ito plus, ito minus. So, therefore, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? G over H of X equals 5x plus 10 over x squared plus 3x minus 10.